issues, you have tensions, you have sadness happening, sing it out. There's nature, it vibrates, comes back, you feel good. You know, that's what I do mostly with music. Coke Studio at MTV, it's been a journey for me. First year I came as a singer, second year I produced one song, now third year one whole episode. It's definitely a very...
Those people there, they've believed in what I've been doing. We have been having a lot of fun, on, off stage, and in the shoot, otherwise. So I think that carried on, the happiness carried on, and till the point where they said, do you think? I said, yes, I think I can. So one episode happened, and we had lots of fun, so that is really important.
I'm sure. How many of us want to hear Papon just sing one teeny weeny line here? Come on. Come on, Papon. Anything, whatever. Pak, maybe?
Okay, so one of the songs I have done with Harshdeep, I just want to do the Assamese beat of it. Dine dine khushiya poribe rongila dalaner mati goshai je kon ronge balo na kal gelo dinane nadar bone goshai je kon ronge dine dine.
Woohoo!
Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Papon. Next, it's time to come. They're saying Hansraj Hansji. Tell us a little more about that. How do you choose your singers?
I guess because I can't sing. So, you know, so these are people who I think are really good at what they do. So, yeah, so that's how it, you know, and it has to create a connection somewhere, the voice and the style of singing. So, and yeah, so basically it's just a feel approach that you go with, and it hopefully works out.
All right. But it initially starts...
It is a beautiful energy which is a gift from God, which allows us to express ourselves and to tell people about us. Coke Studio at MTV gives musicians, artists, phenomenal platform to portray their talent and their unique personality and their music.
And the energy.
All of our musicians out here would definitely say that... Okay, is there something else? No? Okay. Where they definitely say that Coke Studio is a platform that lets you just be. It lets you do whatever you want to do. I'd like to know a little more about that before I get into the question. Tell me about what is this freedom that you get with Coke Studio that you wouldn't get otherwise?
Check. This is really a fantastic platform. You know, somewhere I feel it's a great way to connect with your own roots, with your own tradition. And, you know, we keep doing music for different, you know, things, whether it be a film or a commercial or anything like that. But somewhere where you connect with your own tradition, with your own music, whether it be folk or a qawwali or a, you know, or a bhajan, or and present it in the now, with the now. And that's really something which turns me on. It got me really excited. Few years ago, Suleiman and myself did a project called Bhumi, which was a folk album. It was produced in 1999, and I don't know if people know about it, but this was something which was really close to our hearts, and we went to England to record, mix the project at Peter Gabriel's studio, and it was really a fantastic experience. And now in 2013, we are reliving that, and it's really amazing. Thank you.
Amazing. All right, let's take a look at their episode.
There is a repeat only the
we'll do it on the
first verse.
Yeah. Correct.
Kailash, hello. Yeah. Kailash and me, Salim and me and Kailash go long back because he also says it that he started his first film song with us, and so there's a very deep connection with him and us, and it's always a pleasure to work with him. He's such a small little tight yet loud package, And so when Bismillah happened, the first thing that we thought about was how do you fuse a Qawwali ang? It's the roop is Qawwali, and how do you fuse it with somebody who's modern enough yet grounded enough to approach it and take it forward? And so that's how Kailash happened, and it was just amazing how both worlds just blended together as one big form, which is Bismillah.
Thank you so much. Well, looking at all these guys out there, I just cannot wait for Coke Studio at MTV Season 3 to start. But we have one more composer who we have to introduce.
Music started like a profession and became like a passion. And now it's everything. I have to live up to the expectations. I have to live up to my own expectations. So each day is a discovery. Coke Studio, MTV joining hands in India and redefining it in a way. It's nice to see musicians coming up. You can see a great guitarist, you can see a great drummer, you can see the attitude change. And it's not just playing underground anymore. I'm feeling good that I've played with all these beautiful people, this band and these songs we've done. I don't know how to judge it. I hope people like it.
Well, that's the Mozart of Madras right here for us. Let's take a look at his episode.
What he played was nice. Wanting to do a song where it celebrates being a mother and two different communities. You have a Buddhist community, you have a Islamic community, you have Indian community. So it's a combination of that and going beyond man-made walls. And so if you watch that song, Zaria, I think, which is beautifully written by Prasan Joshi, it has that emotion, I feel. I think we've kind of captured that and transcending that little wall which we all have as human beings and going beyond that and defining and celebrating the defining role of a mother. And I would probably get Prasoon to speak about it more. And he's interpreted it really beautifully.
Ladies and gentlemen, Prasoon Joshi.
Thank you. Well, first of all, this song made me come back to AR studio again, and after a long time, and I was waiting that. So I think that's a divine intervention through a beverage which happened, and so we got to work again, and I cherish every moment I spend in Vanchitan. So that's I look forward to. On the Coke Studio, since I have been someone who's been associated and been nurturing the brand here in this country for a long time, I think this Coke Studio is a great idea, especially in today's time, जहाँ पर शहरों का म्यूज़िक, गांव का म्यूज़िक, छोटे का म्यूज़िक, बड़े का म्यूज़िक, कुछ ऐसा होता जा रहा है कि शायद म्यूज़िक भी कमरों में, खानों में बंटता जा रहा है. कहीं ऐसा होता जा रहा है कि गरीब का म्यूज़िक और अमीर का म्यूज़िक भी अलग होता जा रहा है. तो एक ऐसी ज़रूरत सी है कहीं कि ये दीवारें गिरा के कम से कम म्यूज़िक तो साथ आ जाए. दुनिया तो साथ में आएगी, पहले म्यूज़िक साथ में आ जाए, कहीं म्यूज़िक भी अलग ना हो जाए लोगों का. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट आइडिया दैट सारी दीवारें हटा के व्हाट द ब्रांड इज ट्राइंग टू डू और what Coke Studio is trying to do is getting people together, and at least वहाँ सरहदें नहीं है, वहाँ पे आपको नहीं लगता कि ये हिंदू था या मुसलमान था या शहर से था कि गांव से था. So that's what this studio, Coke Studio, is all about. And 2 songs which I have, which AR has wrote me in, and I've written, are both very, very privileged songs. So Zaria is basically, if you hear the lyrics, and we were working on it in the studio, and he instantly said that this is exactly what we should do. Is basically we are just mediums. This song is saying, "Tu Zaria, मैं Zaria, और उसकी कृपा दरिया दरिया. तू जरिया, मैं जरिया, और उसकी कृपा दरिया दरिया. अखियां निर्मल, दुनिया निर्मल. If your eyes are clean, the world is beautiful. अखियां निर्मल, दुनिया निर्मल. छलका छलका छल 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 छल. तू जरिया, मैं जरिया, और उसकी कृपा दरिया दरिया."
क्या बात.